Dear Lord, today I bring Mama before you, the woman whose love shaped my soul. For every night she stayed awake, every tear she cried in silence, every meal she made when her own heart was empty. Bless her richly. If she walks amongst us, surround her with strength, joy, and peace. If she's at rest with you, let her memory be wrapped in light. Heal every wound she carried, reward every sacrifice she made. Let her name be honored through my life. May I carry her prayers forward as she remains a blessing now and forevermore. Amen. I remain Elias, still rising.